What is up, guys? Wally here at Brewtown Trading Co. Going to do a box of 2016 Phoenix for Glenn. Picked this out of a brand new fresh case. Let's have some fun. This is the Quest for Wentz. I went with scissors to try something different. Glenn's been through quite a few boxes, and sadly we have yet to see Mr. Wentz in any of his. They appear in other boxes, not in his. Space. Oh, redemption. I want to get our hopes up, but I think the redemptions are generally for patches or something like it. And there's another hit. Should be 3 of them in here total. And there's another hit, I think. And as usual, Glenn, I will double check for any numbered stuff. And then you said you'd be in to pick it up. All right, well, one of those must not be a hit. I must have goofed up. But we'll have them all sleeved and ready for you, sir. Got the whole rest of that case to go. I'm hoping if there's a Wentz in it that you're the guy to get it. All right, and on to the fun part. Decker, numbered to 25. Wentz, hey, the Quest for Wentz, and Wentz shows up. Ooh. We want him to be in that other stack, though. That's the key. All right. Let's go to number 1 here. Oh, good old Devin Booker. 249. And then Jared Goff, big old jersey. Out of 49. Out of 49 to be exact. That was the psych out card. And redemption time. Let's see what you are due to receive. Hot rookie material signatures gloves. Number 18 is Alex Collins. That's not bad. Not the ones we were after, though. Thanks, Glenn. See you next time.